Kakasi FM Urban Top 40 Backstage Access.
Now, this one happens every Saturday around this time when, of course, we zoom into amaciko ethu South Africa, Backstage Access. I get to hang out with the coolest in the music and entertainment space. Namhlanje ngikuphathele uThandeka Ngema, otherwise known as Umahu. She's a born free and she's here to hang out with us and answer all the questions that you and I may have for her while we have her, of course. Mahu, good morning and thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning, Njani.
Ngikhona. Oh my. So, umuphi umhlaba namhlanje?
NgiseGoli Nkosi yami.
UseGoli Nkosi yami. Yo amakhazi eGoli.
Ukubandani yo.
Ay but showcase abo mahuba shangala ama tiles lawo okwazi ukwafaka ama heater uyabo. Athi.
Kuba umuntu emesephuma yosebenza ngoba singena ngama jackets manje emaxhapheni.
Yabona into engishoyo.
Ama events.
Man. Great to have you on the show. I was with you, I think about 2 months ago, laphana eMamba, Great Town.
Oh, eMamba, Great Town.
And you gave a fire performance. I'm just always in awe, man, when I see you performing. It's the level of professionalism with your team and how you always just give yourself. You know, it's almost like you don't hold back. Like when people are there to watch you, you make sure.
Yeah, that's how I am. You know, I always try to show if you love something, you never work a day in your life. So, nami kanjalo into engiyithandayo. I want to make sure that I excel ukuthi I'm not a good dancer, but then I have a voice. I want to be energetic stage. Yabo, ngikwazi ucommunicate nabantu bami because that's the most important thing.
Yeah, we love them.
And communicate with people, yes.
I know it always comes out.
Cool.
It always comes out. Now, we've seen you on different genres like umaskandi, amapiano, 3-step, Afro house, nama video akho that are currently circulating where you are singing it gospel. Now, what I want to know is that can we expect perhaps maybe Afro popish nyana sound, or are these the sounds that you're going to stick by? And now moving forward, or is this you maybe soft launching yourself in the gospel space?
Yazi ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi izolo ukufayitena sitopha ingoma noLwandle Nkulu. It's Afro pop. Bengiqala ukungena ku-beat Afro pop. Bengazi ukuthi ngizothini but ngabhala nje ama-lyrics enena kwathi ingoma. Unembeza iphuma izolo yazi. Ngize noLwandle Nkulu. Ngizokwenza kakhulu Afro pop, yes.
Nice one. We are definitely looking forward to that. Now, musically, how do you plan on direction that you are going to take next? You know, because Joba Bengshilo ukuthi sikuzwa in different genres, and it's always great. Yabo uthole umahu amaskandi kumnandi, uthole we Afro house, uthole we 3-step, uthole wamapiano. It's just always nice. So when you sit down with the team yakho, it's okay. Spegela manje, how do you come up to that decision?
Yazi confuse lento ne, but mina ngiyabona into engisebenzela right now i-3-step. 3-step is a new genre esanda kufika ebinganakiwe kakhulu ne, but yona into sefikile because about Jazzy Works, the 3 boys, Othukuthela and TL mabengi-approacha nami ngangiyoba-approacha ama-DM. In fact ngabuka ukuthi hayibo kade babezama ukufuna ukusebenza nami. I got excited because ngangibona isound yakhona like yo, this is a dope sound. Babeze no-Oscambo. Like let me just try this. Mengena nabo bakhona sasebenza sebezizwa kanjani. Like oh my god, this is a dope genre bengisaba ne.
Yeah.
But now ngiyabona ukuthi in my life angaze ngifike ko number 1. I'm number 1 all over. Bengiforce yabo in most cases bekungama-feature bo.
Yeah.
Angaze kube nenhlanhla ukuthi ngithole someone ozokunika ingoma kube ngiyami. You understand?
Yeah.
Bekuwukuthi bengilwa njalo mangizothola ingoma. But now I feel like it mina is good.
Yeah.
I don't wanna lie. Yes.
No, it's great. It's great. Look, let me just quickly do what I need to do while I have you online. Umahu is here, of course, for Backstage Access. It is the Kakasi FM Urban Top 40. She really is someone that ufike space in Saga Music, and then someone she's not here to play, man. She has done. She has given us some hits, you know, back to back, from your 3-step to Maskandi to Amapiano, which is a sound that we were introduced to for Umahu, of course. Now, you've worked with the heavyweights in the space, Abokabs, the leaders in the space, Abo Maphorisa and so on. Like, what does it take for untombazane wase KZN onamaphupho ukuthi nami one day ngiyafisa ukuthi izwi lami nekhono lami libonakale lizwakale? You've done this so gracefully and you are doing so great, and besibheka umlando wakho, I mean, from KZN, of course, bakhona baningi, they also want to get into the space. But how do I move? Like, what advice would you have for such people?
Into engayisho mina ukuthi don't sleep, ungalali, don't sleep on yourself. Uma ngabe unephupho, I dream, like, just work, grab it, approach people obaziyo ukuthi bengakusiza on that thing, because umuntu ngabantu, sithi ngabantu nathi ukuze sifike la sifika khona. So mina into engiyenza isikhathi esiningi bengiba-approach abantu ma-DMs, bengizama ngayo yonke indlela. It wasn't easy. Sometimes you get with abantu ba-ignore because of ama-DMs amaningi usuke siwathola as ama-artist, yabo. So bengizama yonke indlela, ngisebenza, ngilokhu ngiphusha isipani, ngisebenza, but into engicela ngisho ukuthi uma usaqala vele kuyenze ungayitholi imali, yabo. But just push, ngosami, uma unephupho lofuna ukuba umculi, noma ngabe kuthiwa yini, sebenza, uzama ukuthola connection aba-right. Yes.
Yeah, no, put yourself out there. Ungahlali ulinde for someone to approach you.
Yes, exactly, into kanjalo.
Manje indaba yakho no Naledi, it's quite a thing that has a lot of people worried, Mahu. So much so because, I mean, both of you guys are from KZN and you guys are doing great and you guys are super talented. But then when we see the tiffs on social media, is there maybe not another way to sort out whatever that's happening?
That drama. Ukuthi yaqala ngamanga yabo, uma ngabe sifika yena wasuwaqamba amanga. And worst part, she started my sister kwaba khona drama, okay. And then a problem eseqala sefake inamba yami, ngingangeni, there was none of my problem. And then edelela, like, she was very rude in such a way that I was trying to sort it out. Baba kuningi nje inenhlamba. I was like, ngithule because mina, if it can check my conversation between me and her, I was so nice in such a way that ngathi mefika like Joburg, so zama ukusebenza. She's very rude to me, that no, let me keep quiet. So bekala nje ezindlela zakhe, angazi ukuthi ngazama kanjani, but it's difficult, angazi. Usamncane, enye into ngeke ngisho usamncane because kuningi engikubonile nangikwazile ukubamba i-industry ngendlela, but ezinye indlela mfethu ezinye izinto kumele uthule, yabo. Kumele uthule, especially namncane, uzothuka mhlawumbe ngiyase uzothuka ngoba ngikhuluma, but enye into kumele ayenze, kwezinye izinto just ignore. Abantu mabekuthuka nami ngingafika bangithukile kaningi, iziba simple. Uyazi ukuthi into eqhamuka ekhanda njoba sikhuluma about this entire thing is that obviously nisegoli manje, but inkaba yenu ila eKZN and indlela thina esikhuliswe ngayo, esazi ngayo, in as much as singaba in the same space, but umuntu omdala uyohlezi umuntu omdala. Yes, as abantu abancane sizolenza amaphutha, and in your case obviously she's younger than you, but given a chance, if ngathiwa manje uyalibona mhlawumbe iphutha lakhe njengoba uchaza indlela ochaza ngayo, usethi ke no, athi ngihlale phansi nosisi wami sikhulume lento, would you give her that chance? Yeah, I would. Angikwazi ukubamba amaqhubu ngikanjalo ne. Baningi abantu abangiphulishile kwi-industry ngisafika, but ngisebenzile nabo ne. Into engayisho ukuthi akulungise izinto, but ngeke ngisuke ngihambe ngiyoxolisa umuntu ongiqalile, yabo. Into engingayiza ukuthi my sister uxolo, ngathi mina no, wena wenza iphutha mina, usexolisile uma wamtshela waxolisa salungisa.
Nice.
Yabo, angikwazi ukubamba amaqhubu. That's why I believe ukuthi uma ubamba amaqhubu ugcina uyibophela izinto zakho ukuthi ngaphumeleli. Enhliziyo yami ngaphakathi, even God knows ngidlulisile. Sengakhuluma phela ngoba sesidelelele, yabo. But ukubamba like grudges ukuthi ngingaba into ebuhlungu, ngingamenza into ebuhlungu cha. Yabo, if iyalungisa singasebenza. I wish to work with her one day, but angazi ngoba iyadelela shem. Ngiyamsaba.
No, ngiyakuzwa.
Ngisaba ukusebenza because ngibona ukuthi ngiyafika kube khona situation, but ngingalungisa ngifuna.
Ngiyakuzwa, spoken like a true big sister, man. We truly appreciate that honesty coming from you, Mahu. iParis was a huge success. Leya check yase Samro isiklokhile.
Mina ngizilokho zanogutsha ngenje.
Igucci I mean sengithi Paris igucci.
Ukade ngiyayithola ngithi mina ngimele so nginoma ngekhampani yama entertainment.
Yeah.
So every time ngomidropa ngenza show everything ibhala phansi team yami is writing down here submit everything so every 2 months I get imali yami. Ngeke ngaklothi enkulu ukuthi
hayi awuna futhi leyani uyayibona ungathenga amagucci amaningi.
Lalela ukuthi mina amagucci amaningi ngiwathola as ama gifts ngoba nkosi yami ngiya invest kakhulu mina.
Lovely.
Le ntombazana sanipile ukuthi investing in property because I understand ukuthi industry njani siyazi sonke ukuthi it's not a lifetime thing.
Yeah.
So once you get uNkulunkulu akubusisa ngeopportunity at this moment ngenza sure ukuthi let me invest in property because yona into ebelieve ukuthi into ezolasta.
Mangema.
Yes.
Mangema, thank you so much for this Katsako. We are super proud of you and thank you for not being jealous. You know, sometimes I want talent and they want to keep it to themselves. But for you, like I'm going to share this thing with the rest of the world. You are definitely flying the KZN flag high and we are fully behind you and we support you and thank you for your time.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu abenami.
Amen.